think that there are a number of motivations for OEMs to share the data. The number one, in my view, with no question, is OEMs understand that data utilization can improve the customer experience. If the OEM can share the data with different services, and you as a driver will get a better experience, you will say, this is a great car. It's connected to all those services, so sophisticated. They know what is happening in the car and help me before I ask it. And then an happy customer will buy the same car again. I think that especially with young drivers, I'll give you a real example. If you had this great parking service that reads your car data and can save you 5 minutes every day to find parking, I guess you know that in urban areas, people are spending 25–30% of the time on average looking for parking. If you can save 5 minutes a day, this is, at least for me, more important than a few more horsepower in the car. This improves my life. 5 minutes a day is like 2 hours a month that I can do new stuff instead of looking for parking. So this is an example of an happy customer that is getting value from a service that is enabled by the data. You say, I love this manufacturer because I have those services there. I think really also that OEMs understand that the heavy lifting was done. The modem is very expensive. It's already in the car. Paying the telecom service provider is very expensive, already in the monthly bill of the OEM. Storing the data, all the OEMs out there have implemented cloud to store the data or are in the process of implementing. So the heavy lifting was done. The technology and the expenses are ongoing. So now the question is how the OEM is building the upside. And the upside is really mainly from putting the data into work and creating value, generating good from it, and making the customer life better. Thank you.